Name's Justin Bellotta. I'm Vice President of Operations for a medical device company in Sunnyvale, California called Cardiva Medical. We make vascular closure devices. They are small medical devices that implant a collagen-based fiber into the vasculature to close the femoral artery after a catheterization procedure. We received FDA approval for our product in early 2013, and since then it's really been a company that has tried to mature, a company that's tried to grow. The medical device industry itself is changing. It's becoming more competitive, it's becoming more cost constrained. We need to become more cost efficient for us so we can continue to deliver the value that our product can generate. And if we can't do that, then we can't be successful as a company. I came into the company, Expandable was already at the company. Someone before me made the smart decision to implement it at that time. We had a very basic understanding. We knew the potential that it had, and we knew that we needed to utilize the data in order to drive costs down. And so we really started to turn our attention to really managing that bottom line as best we could. We have really started to utilize the data to bring an entirely new level of understanding to our business from an operations perspective specifically. We are able to understand where each one of our cost drivers are. So if you take labor, for instance, we're able to track labor on each one of our assemblies and each one of our parts down to the person, and down to their labor rate. We can understand if we see variances in labor, is it due to training, if it's due to new people on the line, if it's due to material costs, right? Or we understand if it's a purchase price variance, we understand if it's higher scrap rates or higher yield rates or higher quality testing. So knowing where the cost goes, what buckets it goes into, we can really start to understand where the variances are, why they're there, and almost track them on a real-time basis and then implement corrective actions to make sure our costs are in line with where they need to be. Because we have such a good handle on costs, we're actually utilizing a lot of that data to model where we need to be in the future. And we are looking at alternative manufacturing locations, and utilizing that data to model where we're going to be in alternative manufacturing locations really helps us kind of get our arms around that and make those business decisions with a clear head. And so we have made the decision to expand our locations. We will have an off-site or an offshore manufacturing location, and we completely expect to take Expandable there. We'll be opening and closing jobs there. There'll be another inventory store there in that offshore location, and we fully expect to be able to manage that here. And so, no, I think Expandable is the perfect tool for that. We feel very well suited to do it. And it's one of the reasons why we feel that we're capable as a business to grow, is that we've got this system that's really kind of supporting us. When I came into the company and when we started to mature, we really needed to shore up our knowledge. We really needed to kind of beef up what we knew and how we're using the system. We utilized customer support to develop that training program. We utilized your online library. We've watched your videos, we've read your manuals, I believe that we've utilized almost all of your avenues for support. One-on-one consulting, the online library, the email support that you guys have, or the telephone support that you have, all for different instances, and it's all been immediate. It's all been, first class type of customer service where we really we get the questions answered, and you guys don't stop until we're satisfied, which is what we like. It's what we like in a vendor. It's what we like in support, and it's like what we like to deliver as well. So we like to work with like-minded people.